Hello, friends. How are you? Hope you're doing well. And welcome back to my channel, Edutainment. Here in this video, I'm going to teach you about the Placeit. What is the use of Placeit and how to use this? And what are the features of Placeit? So here I'll read the lines and I'll make you understand what exactly is it. And after watching this video, if you want that I should make a video on Placeit and I should show you the features as well, then I'll do that. Please comment on the comment box so that I could know and I can make the video as well. So here in this video I'll tell you what is the use of Placeit and how to use this. Okay, and what are the features of it. So first up on our list of fantastic free YouTube video intro makers is Placeit. This platform offers a huge library of various customizable templates to help you create eye-catching video intros in just a few clicks. So this is very easy tool where you can use this, and the place it is a tool where you can create a various type of templates for your YouTube video and intros. You can create intros which are eye-catching, by which people can uh, can be fetched towards your videos if you're making by this. So here with Placeit you don't need any design or technical skills. So the very important thing about Placeit is you don't need to have a technical skills, design or technical skills to make professional looking intros. By using this Placeit option, by using this Placeit software, you can say, or you can say a feature, you can create professional looking videos, multiple type of videos, any type of videos you can. If you are from any background, that doesn't matter, you are from education background, if you are making videos for daily life cycle, if you are making technical videos, so what type of videos you are creating, you can create intros by using Placeit. Simply choose from their extensive library of pre-made templates and customize them with your own text. You can customize your template by your own text. You'll get ready-made templates once you use this, but yes, you can customize them as per your requirement, right? And you can customize them with your own text, your colors, and even images if you desired. If you want to change the images, if you want to change the color of the tag template, you can change, you can customize according to you. The user friendly interface makes the whole process quick and easy. The main purpose of this software is the main purpose of Placeit is to make this whole process quick and easy. Whether you are looking for sleek and modern intros or something more fun and playful, Placeit has got you covered with its diverse range of template options. So here, by this, by using Placeit, you can create multiple type of templates. You can customize them. You can change their text. You can change the colors, even images as well. And like if you want to make your intro video as like, it should look sleek and modern, or something more playful or powerful, then you can use by using Placeit. You can create a wonderful, you can say, templates for your videos. And if you like my video, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. And if you want, then I can uh, on Placeit I can show you each and every option, how it works. Then please comment me on comment box so that I can make a video for you to make your create your templates easy for your YouTube. Thank you for watching.